Black Canary or Dinah Laurel Lance, superheroes in DC Comics. Lance is one of two women with the alias Black Canary. She is generally affiliated with the Justice League of America and Green Arrow, both professionally and romantically. He is also a founding member of Birds of Prey. Her superpower, the cry of a canary, allows her to create ultrasonic vibrations whenever she screams, which can damage even 10 times that of most sonic weapons, described as a metal breaker, and has resonance that affects and shatters the earth. Due to the power of her abilities, Black Canary often relies more heavily on her martial arts skills and uses her canary cry only in urgent situations, such as against superpowered opponents.